In this video, you will learn how to make Word document in mobile phone. Whether you have an Android or an iPhone, it is easy to make documents right from your device. I will guide you step by step so that you can follow along without any trouble. To get started, open up either the Google Play Store for Android users or the Apple App Store for iPhone users. In the search bar, type in Microsoft 365. Once you've found it, tap on Install or Get to install the app on your device. After installation is complete, it's time to open the app. Upon opening the Microsoft 365 app, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface. Tap on the Create button, located at the bottom right corner of your screen. And then select Word from the options presented. Now you're ready to start creating. You can choose how you want to start your document. Options include capturing a photo, importing an existing photo, dictating text, starting with a blank document, or using a template. For this example, let's select blank document. A fresh canvas is now at your fingertips. You'll notice several formatting options available, such as bold text, italic text, underline text, and highlight text. To access more features, tap on this small arrow button, located near these formatting icons. This opens up even more options, including changing font size and color. But that's not all. You can enhance your document by inserting tables, pictures, shapes, and even text boxes. Simply navigate through these options in your toolbar. Once you're satisfied with your work and ready to save it, tap those three little dots at the top right corner of your screen. Select Save As. Next up is choosing where you'd like to save your file. You have multiple saving locations available: OneDrive for cloud storage, saving directly onto this device, Google Drive if you prefer that platform, or even onto an SD card if available. Don't forget to give your file an appropriate name so you can easily locate it later. Finally, hit that Save button at the bottom right corner. And there you have it. You've successfully created and saved a Word document using just your mobile phone. Whether it's for work assignments or personal notes, now you can do it all from anywhere. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.